Crypto guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading around $0.64. We're deep in the crypto bear market. The Sandbox has seen a huge mini rally. In the last one day it has gone up 5.2%. In the last 1 week the Sandbox is up 7.7%. But deep in the crypto bear market on the yearly time frame, the Sandbox is down 78.9%. In this video, we're taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart. The Sandbox is currently trading around the $0.644 region. We have gotten to as low as the $0.37 region in this bear market. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to rally above the $0.93 level where we got to in February of 2023? Or are we just having a pause before we continue dumping to Goblin Town? We'll also be taking a look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And something strange is happening to the Sandbox market cap, which has rallied towards the $1.9 billion region. The Sandbox previously had a market cap of below $1 billion. But right now, we have seen a huge pump in the Sandbox market cap. We have seen a huge pump in the Sandbox market cap, and it has gone from as low as $779 million. The Sandbox market cap has even gotten to as high as $2 billion. Why didn't we see significant increase in the price of the Sandbox just like we saw in the market cap? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The Sandbox is ranked 54 on CoinMarketCap with over 2.2 million people having the Sandbox on their watch list. In the last 1 month, we've seen the Sandbox go from as high as $0.88 to as low as $0.50. With a market cap of $968 million and a fully diluted market cap of $1.9 billion. The Sandbox has a maximum supply of 3 billion tokens, and more than 1.5 billion of those tokens are in circulation. We're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down bad on a yearly time frame. The Sandbox is down 79.9% on that yearly time frame. And the Sandbox might continue dumping to Goblin Town. Guys, in the bear market, you expect huge dumps to happen. The Sandbox is currently going through its first full crypto bear market, and we saw it pump aggressively to the upside in the bull market, rallying up by more than 27,000% in less than 400 days. But right now, we're seeing the opposite of that happen. We're seeing the Sandbox continue dumping to Goblin Town. The Sandbox has spent more than 400 days dumping, and we saw it get to as low as the $0.38 region. We started 2023 on a very bright note. We saw a mini alt season happening. We saw all coins pumping to higher prices. In the case of the Sandbox, we saw it rally up from the $0.37 region, getting to as high as the $0.91 region. That was a 139% pump to the upside. Right now, we're seeing a pullback that's carried the Sandbox back from the $0.91 region down to as low as the $0.52 region. A 43% dump in the price of the Sandbox in 21 days. What's next for the Sandbox in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to drop to new lows going below the $0.37 region? Because guys, a lot of indicators and a lot of charts are showing us that might be possible in the coming days and the coming weeks. We have seen the Sandbox have difficulties blasting above the $0.91 level, and for us to drop to that $0.15 level, the Sandbox will have to dump by more than 75%. And why might that be possible in this bear market? Guys, it's because we have seen the Sandbox tokens, more of it has come into circulation. In the bull market, everything is dandy, everything is pumping to the moon, nobody has questions to ask. We saw the Sandbox market cap get to as high as $7.5 billion. But right now, in this first full crypto bear market, the Sandbox is dumping to Goblin Town, even getting to as low as the $92.38 region. Even though we started 2023 on a very bright note where we saw the Sandbox rallying up by 150%, the Sandbox market cap just magically went up from the $779 million level. It shot up overnight towards the $1.9 billion region, even getting to as high as $2 billion. You might be wondering, Why will the market cap of the Sandbox rally above the highs we set in February, getting even above all the regions we have traded since May of 2022? If the Sandbox price was doing that, we should see the Sandbox trading above $1.5. Guys, more tokens have come into circulation, so we see the market cap shooting to higher prices without the price following suit, and that might spell trouble for the Sandbox in the coming days and in the coming months, because if the Sandbox market cap is going to dump back to the $500 million region, that will be a 70% dump to the downside. What will the 70% dump to the downside do to the price of the Sandbox from where we're currently trading? Guys, that will carry the price of the Sandbox from the $0.64 region down to the $0.2 region. All coins are very volatile in the bear market. All coins can easily continue dumping to Goblin Town. And that's why if you're accumulating with long-term investors, if you're trying to get good value for your money, remember not to go all in. Yes, the bear market is where you get your first 10x, 20x, even your first 100x coin that will pump to the moon. The bear market is where you get good value for your money. At the same time, the bear market is where you can lose a lot of your money if you take the wrong step. Bear markets are very, very chaotic, but guys, if you can avoid this one singular mistake of not going all in very, very quickly, you might be able to survive the bear market. If you survive the bear market, there's a huge pump waiting for you at the end of the bear market. We'll start another bull run. We might see the Sandbox even pumping to new all-time highs. But for you to enjoy those pumps, you have to survive the bear market. And the best way to survive the bear market will be to dollar cost average into your positions. The cost averaging into your positions will guarantee that even though if you continue seeing lower prices, you will still have some capital to buy some. As we see, even though we continue seeing those lower prices, you will still have some capital to buy some, as we see all these altcoins dump further down to Goblin Town. Guys, be careful out there. A lot of investors have made that mistake in the past. A lot of investors are still going to make that mistake in the future. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox is dumping to Goblin Town aggressively against Bitcoin. We have seen it lose more than 84% of its value against Bitcoin, and we might still continue going down to Goblin Town, because in the bear market, all coins are volatile. In the bear market, people are scared of all coins. In a bear market, people are willing to flip their altcoins back into Bitcoin and back into Ethereum. And if you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Ethereum also, you see it constantly losing value against Ethereum in the bear market. That's to be expected. Even though we started 2023 on a very bright note, where we saw the Sandbox rally up by more than 75% against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, we saw it starting 2023 on a very bright note, rallying up by 75% against Bitcoin. But right now, it looks as if the rally is over. Right now, it looks as if the Sandbox is gearing up for that one final dump to the downside that we always talk about. Guys, don't get deceived by this pump to the upside. This might just be a bull trap, getting a lot of people bullish at the wrong point before we continue dumping to Goblin Town, dumping by more than 50 or maybe 60%. Bear markets can be very, very rough, but you want to survive the bear market. If you survive the bear markets, you enjoy the bounties of the new bull market. Our quote of the day: anyone who is not investing right now is missing a tremendous opportunity. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see the Sandbox rallying above the $0.91 level where we got to in January of 2023? Or are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? Are you still accumulating more Sandbox token right now, deep in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.